Hey everybody, Steve Stack, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. I'm taking advantage of teaming up this morning with Michael Savko, Savko Home Builders, and we're gonna bring you a little shop talk piece. And there's difficult ways to do things, or there's easy ways to do things. And if the communication's right, you can do it the easy way. Michael and his company have built this beautiful feature wall in a home that they've just built for a client down here in Latonia, Ohio. But because there was talk prior to, the homeowner wanted a little extra splash on this wall, right in this nursery, and you took a shortcut. You put an insurance policy out, so when your trim guys got in here, it was going to be easy peasy, right?
Correct.
Take us through what you did, Michael.
Sure. So this insurance policy, this is the first house that we've done this on because we learned the hard way on the last project. So these vertical slats here, based on the room dimension, are almost 2 foot on center. Well, we know that our stud framing is 16 inches on center, not 2 foot. So there was very low probability of being able to nail each of these into a stud. So what we've done, and to avoid seeing any seams, we put up OSB, 1/2 inch thick OSB before the drywall. So then the drywall covers it, drywall finisher does all his mudding and taping, everything's normal. Well, now when the finished carpenters come in, they're able to lay out all of these 1-bys wherever they need to go, and they have wood behind the drywall no matter what to nail into, and that helps hold these pieces secure. And then the painters come through later and do their thing with filling all the nail holes and doing the final painting.
So folks, great pro tip from Michael on that. And 3-4 sheets of OSB board, right?
Mm-hmm.
Your drywall was going up anyhow.
Correct.
Right? And then you bought 9 pieces of 1x3 poplar, probably prime finger joint material.
Correct. Yep.
And attach that. Continuous nailing anywhere on the wall.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Yep.
Folks, how about that one? Use it if you can. We'll be back with more real soon.